So I'm sure you've gotten the concept of what not skipping level headings when it comes to doing what creating your heading tags. All right. So like I said earlier, this is just heading tags, not paragraph. We'll definitely come to paragraph tags. Okay, when the need arises, we'll come to it. Definitely there's going to be a need for it, bro. Now, there's one thing you need to know, where that all level headings are like a block. Okay, all all whatever you're writing on this particular, where's my mouse, bro? Whatever code you're writing on this particular line, can you see the line one, line two? So whatever code you're writing, if this, no matter how lengthy the code is, ensure you exhaust the width. All right, can you see that you still have long way to go? There's one pushing stuff like that. Let me see. Make sure you exhaust the width. Keep writing, keep typing your code for this particular line. Okay, because they do appear as blocks. Can you see? This could be block one, just like the block you use in building your house. So this could be block two, block three, block four, block five. Just the codes are arranged in form of a block, so it will guide you through that whatever code you're writing, make sure you exhaust the entirety of that particular line of code. So do not skip to another line if there is no need to do that. Okay, but I realize that some paragraph can be taken down to the next line. But the point I'm trying to make right here is that the codes are being arranged in form of what? Blocks. Okay, so like I said earlier, a single web page should contain one h1 element. Follow the pattern of how it's been organized, and you have an overview of what it is. So I'm going to be giving a little exercise. I'll be leaving a little exercise for you to correct and make them look appropriate. I'm going to get this scattered H1. This is going to be a very simple one. This is me. About me. About me. My goals. My experiences. Experiences. I may not read this well, but I'm just trying to pick up some logic from what I'm trying to do. My experiences, my friends, my books. Then let me call this my hobbies. So you're being faced with the task of arranging this. If I should run this code, this is what happens. If I right click and click on show preview, it looks so weird. So try arrange it. I'll be sharing this file, which you can download to your system. I'll be sharing the link to the file which you can download. Then what you do, you're gonna arrange this. Okay, arrange this as the proper heading form it should look like. So I'll make this file available, and I'll be waiting for your submissions. So the submissions should be done to my email address. I've stated my email address or my WhatsApp phone number there, so you can contact me and then let me have your submissions. If there are any places you aren't satisfied with, or you don't really get the concept or the idea behind that, I would get you clarified on it. So your task is just doing what? Organize all of this in its appropriate manner. Okay. So we've taken today to look at what HTML rules, HTML element rules. So if you're not really clear, ask your questions in the comment section. I'll see you.